Today I'm going to show you how to create a marketing analytics dashboard framework using Team-GPT. Hi, my name is Andre and I'm VP of Revenue at Team-GPT. So let's get into it. Let's assume I'm working on an analytics project for Starbucks. And I've created my project that I've pinned here over on the left-hand side. And what I'll do is I'll go to Project Knowledge, and within Project Knowledge I've created a few different things. So I've added information about this project that gives me more about what I want to do, the workflows that helps marketing teams develop comprehensive reporting framework, etc. I gave example outputs from complete dashboard structure, defined KPIs, visualization, and insight generation. So these are things that the AI will take in consideration as best practices. You could also add example outputs you had from past presentations and simply copy paste them here. I've added Starbucks data sources and integration points, and also Starbucks KPI framework. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going into the web browsing, and I will click on, I'll simply prompt, give me some of the best practices on building dashboards, specifically for the food and beverage industries. Here we go, and I'll prompt this, and it's going to give me an output that I want to also take as a consideration in my research. So it's kind of giving me all the best practices and so on. It will also create some of the sources, and what I'll do is, this is super useful for me. I will add this information as a published link into my web browsing. I'll copy this link and to my project knowledge, and I've added the project information, and it's all present on my project knowledge. So the next thing I'll do is I'll use one of my favorite prompts for this, called the dashboard structure, which helps me create a prompt that's already preset. I will simply say Starbucks, and it will give me the prompt and incorporate it. It's already taking into information all the project knowledge that I'm using in here. Now it's while the AI is thinking, it's going to give me all the output in the best possible format according to all the information I gave. When the AI is finished, what we're going to do next is focus a bit on the visualization elements, which are super important. So I'm going to use this prompt called visualization recommendations, and I'll stay again Starbucks and continue, and prompt is now applied, and off we go. So you see we're saving a lot of time by reusing some of these existing prompts. They can be super lengthy sometimes, depending on how much content you give it. So you're just simply inserting a word and having that information accessible and the output coming super fast. So here we go. We have all the information, and yeah, cool. So I now have a clear structure for my dashboard and some of the things I want to do. So what I'll do next, I'm coming into pages, and I turn this into an editable page, and I will now look over some of the things I want to do and say, okay, digital marketing performance or social media reach. You kind of see the different areas, but let's say I don't want to talk about marketing and ROI, or actually I want to talk about it in more detail. I can delete it entirely, or I can make it longer with a bit more detail so that my team will know exactly what I want to do. So it's giving me some recommendations what I can do and add, and I can replace it below. So I can also start playing around with the different headings, introduce different colors and formatting. So I can send it to my team whenever we're ready, and this will be super useful. So I don't have to take my content out before finishing it. I can finalize my work and then share it with my team or whoever is going to implement it across your teams. So I hope this was useful. This is how we're going about strategizing and structures of analytics dashboards in Team-GPT. And yeah, hope you can use it on your end and take it as a great example to share with your teams. Thank you.